What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to break free from procrastination, gain laser focus, and turn studying into something you actually enjoy? Stick with me. This isn't your typical motivational talk. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of students who seem unstoppable. Studying can feel like climbing a mountain. You know you need to do it, but distractions? They're everywhere. From notifications buzzing every few seconds to endless entertainment options on your phone, staying focused feels impossible. And it's not just you. Millions of students feel stuck, battling this constant war between what they need to do and what they want to do. How many times have you opened a textbook just to realize 10 minutes later that you're watching a cat video on YouTube? The truth is, there's something deeper here. This isn't just about discipline, it's about understanding the science of motivation and focus, and if we don't learn it now, we risk something bigger, falling behind. So why can't we stay focused? And more importantly, what's the solution? Let's find out. Now that we know the problem, let's talk solutions. Here are 5 powerful steps that high-achieving students use to conquer distractions, build motivation, and stay on track. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first step to staying motivated is setting clear, specific goals. When you know exactly what you're working towards, your mind finds it easier to focus. Think of it as programming your brain to tune into what truly matters. It's like giving your brain a Google Maps destination. Can't reach where you're going if you don't know where that is, right? Write down your goals in a study notebook. Visualize yourself achieving them, how it feels, what you're wearing, where you are. Visualization activates motivation centers in your brain, so it's a simple but powerful hack to keep you inspired. Step 2. The 5-minute rule. Overwhelmed by the idea of a long study session? Use the 5-minute rule. Just commit to studying for 5 minutes. Once you start, you'll often find it easy to continue. Ever heard of the "I'll just study for 5 minutes" trick? Spoiler alert, it works. This trick relies on momentum. Getting started is often the hardest part. Once you're in the flow, you're more likely to stay focused. If you can trick yourself into starting, half the battle is already won. Step 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times, then take a longer break. Breaking study time into chunks helps you stay fresh and avoids burnout. This method also creates a sense of urgency, which is perfect for keeping your brain alert and focused. After all, 25 minutes feels way less intimidating than 2 hours, doesn't it? But what happens if even that feels too much? The answer lies in designing an environment that pushes you to study. Step 4. Optimize your study environment. A cluttered or noisy environment can break your focus in seconds. Set up a dedicated study space with minimal distractions, just your books, a notebook, and maybe a water bottle. Make it a place that signals focus mode to your brain. Imagine your study space as a focus zone. It's like setting up a little fortress of solitude for your brain. This setup helps condition your brain to know that once you're in this space, it's time to study. The more consistently you use it, the stronger this association becomes. Step 5. Reward yourself. Our brains respond well to rewards, and you can use this to make studying feel positive. Reward yourself after each session with something small. A snack, 5 minutes of social media, or a short walk. These rewards help your brain associate studying with pleasure, not pain. Over time, you'll find it easier to start each session because your brain expects something enjoyable at the end. Now that you know the steps, let's talk about what happens when you combine them. Hint, it's the game changer you've been waiting for. Imagine where you'll be in 6 months. So now it's your turn. Imagine using these 5 steps every day. Imagine looking back 6 months from now, knowing you made the choice to improve, to focus, and to work toward your goals. Every small step counts, and every study session brings you closer to success. Remember, your future depends on the choices you make today. Don't let distractions hold you back. Your dreams are worth every minute of effort you put in. And here's one last thought. What if today is the day that changes everything? If this video helped you, share it with a friend who's struggling too. And remember, every study session brings you closer to your dreams. Don't stop now.